What's going on, baby? Welcome back to Review It All. Last week's video, I talked about what was in this bag right here just a little bit. This is the accessory kit that I got for my griddle. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it up wherever it goes. Got the 22-inch on-the-go griddle from Blackstone. Absolutely love it. Go check that video out if you haven't already. We're going to go over this griddle accessory kit, and this is a low-budget option for a lot of griddle accessories. It absolutely changed the game for me, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside it. Just know that it's very good quality. I was very surprised by that. Whenever I was on Amazon, I was like, this is going to be an Amazon product, it's going to suck. It absolutely does not. So, hope you guys are excited. Let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, I'm going to go put a disclaimer out there. As soon as this camera comes on, I have brain farts all the time, so I might not know what a certain item is or what it's called. So, my bad on that already. Alright, first things first, you get a nice carrying case. So if you're going tailgating, camping, or traveling and you want to take your griddle with you, this thing is perfect. So just everything fits right in here. And I think it's 35 or 36 items per that you get, which is basically $1 per item, because I think it was like 35 bucks on Amazon. First thing, you got a baster. Go ahead, put some water down. Sorry, the plane going over. Put some water down and steam it. Some broccoli or something like that. Also comes with 2 bottles, spray or squirt bottles, whatever you want to call them. Obviously, I didn't put them back in the bag because I didn't want them to leak in there. You get a nice silicone mat that you can lay down, put your tools on when you're not working the grill. This does have white spots on right now. That's just from my water. It doesn't do that itself. That's just because I didn't dry it off. I just washed it. Everything is machine washable that's in this kit. 2 salt and pepper shakers or condiment shakers, whatever you want to put in there, herbs, spices. Sponge cleaner with the handles. Go ahead and clean your griddle when you're done. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted it, is because it has a very good smash burger smasher. And of course, you gotta have the bottle opener on there. Everything is very sturdy, stainless steel, very good quality. You get a lot of sizes of spatulas. So again, I'm not exactly sure what all the names are for everything. For example, couldn't tell you what this is called, but it's a spatula with holes in it. Some more spatulas. Another various size spatula. Some tongs for the video. And if you have kids, they're gonna love this. It's windy out here. And if you have kids, they're gonna love this. Use it for your eggs. You got egg shapes. You get 1 circle. You get 2 hearts. And 1 actual egg shape. You get a lot of tool hooks. I'm not sure how many you get. I would say around 7 or 8. Again, I know this is called, but I just can't think of it right now. A little poker. And you get a nice sharp knife, which we're going to keep in the sleeve so I don't cut myself. And then 2 more spatulas if you want to do some hibachi. And that is basically it, folks. So, like I said, just wanted to come in here and show you guys that this is a really good kit. I was blown away by the quality. It's definitely leveled up my grilling and my, not just for griddle, but for grilling itself with the tongs and stuff like that. So it's definitely helped out a lot. And if you guys haven't seen the other video about this table, I'll also link that whichever side it goes on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, follow, subscribe. There's going to be a lot more stuff coming your way. Yep.